Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Mommy Triplets, and how are you all doing? As I promised in the last video that I'm going to make a video to let you guys know the meaning of declaration of value. We call it DOV, okay? Declarazione di valore. In this video, I'm going to be telling you some of the things you need to know about it. I'm also going to tell you where to apply for it. I'm going to tell you how much it costs. I'm going to tell you, as in so many things about this declaration of value. So let's get into it. So what is declaration of value? It is simply an official document, okay? A very short description, okay, of your academic qualification. So what I'm trying to say is this. If you want to do your declaration of value, okay, there are some documents you need to provide. For example, you need to provide your high school certificate, okay? You provide it. If you are going to do your master's in abroad, you need to provide that of your BSc certificate, okay? If you know the certificates you have, depending on what you want to study in abroad, you need to provide those things, okay? Now, after providing these things, the certificates, okay, the transcript, the certificate, then you are going to submit it to the embassy, okay? Maybe you are going to Italy, you're going to go to Italian embassy in your country, then you submit it. But before you submit it, you need to translate it in Italian language. So this process is only for people that studied outside Italy, okay? If you are in Italy and you are studying, you don't need to do a declaration of value. No, you don't need it. It's only for foreigners who studied in their country before coming to Italy to study. So you will need this declaration of value. And this declaration of value, once your documents are submitted or once your certificates are submitted on the embassy or the consulates, they will now make a research, they will investigate, they will actually call your school, okay, to verify if what you submitted to them is true or false, if you are the right owner of those documents or those certificates. So they are going to verify. So after verifying, after checking everything, it's going to take them time, okay? After that, they are going to give you or leave a short description providing or proving that you are the right owner of this. That is the declaration of value, okay? So now, when do you think you are supposed to start to ask for declaration of value, or when do you think you should start to apply for declaration of value? Before you get your visa, okay, if you want to travel to Italy, the first thing you should do is to get your declaration of value. Once you get your declaration of value, then you will now apply for visa. There is no how you can apply for visa without declaration of value, okay? So you have to make sure that your documents or your certificates are being approved before you will now go for declaration of value. If not, your visa might be rejected, okay? In that way, you will get your visa, come here and then study. So another question that you people might like to ask me is, how long does it take to get this declaration of value? It depends on your country. It depends on your country. I don't know where you're watching me from, but from Nigeria, if you're watching from Nigeria, it takes like 2 weeks to 3 months if you are doing it with an agent, okay? If you want to do it alone, it might also take you within that range, okay? But I will advise you to do it via agent. I have tried doing it myself, guys. It was a mess. It was a total mess. So I will not even advise anyone for now to do it by him or herself. I think it's better you go through an agent. Pay the agent. If you have the money, just pay agent so that the person will do it for you and your certificate will be intact. Like, it will not be like they are looking for it, because my own, they ended up looking for my documents, as in they ended up looking for my certificates. You guys will not believe this. It's actually a long story, but I submitted mine, and after a while I went there to collect it, and they were telling me another story, that they are looking for my documents. After paying all the money they said I should pay, I paid everything, and they're looking for my documents. So I will advise you to do it with an agent, okay? Because those agents there, they know how to do their things. You know, Nigerian, so they know how to do their things, and they will get it ready for you, okay? But if you want to do it yourself, you can also try. Mine didn't go well, so yours might go well. So don't say because mine didn't go well, you will not try. You can try. Just do it yourself. If it worked for you, fine. If not, then you can use an agent to do it next time. So now, what are you going to do when your declaration of value is ready? What you will do is to send it to the school. The school you applied to, okay, you need to send it to them once it's ready. Just send it to them. Please, they will need the original. But before you send the original to them, don't make this mistake, okay? This thing I'm telling you now has helped me over the years. Before you send your original document to anybody, apart from this school thing, okay, or visa thing, make sure you have a photocopy, a colored photocopy of that original document. Make sure you have it. And after having it, make sure you store it, okay, or you save it in your email. Don't save it in your phone. Don't save it, how will I even put it? Or just a paper, you keep it in your cupboard. Just make sure that you save it in your email. It will be there in your email even in the next 50 years. Anytime you need it, you go to your email and get it. It's there for you. Get original copies of your documents. Make a photocopy of them in colored, okay, not black and white, but in colored. Make the photocopy, save them in your email, okay, or you can snap them and save them in your email. That is it. Snap them and save them in your email, or make a photocopy of them in colored and then keep it in a separate place in your house or anywhere, in the bank or anywhere. That would be very nice. It's going to help you. So I'm saying this in case if you want to send the original document to the school, make sure you do one of these two things I said. Please, to avoid had I know, so that you will not come back and say you sent it and they are looking for it, or you are looking for it, story that touches the heart. So I try to avoid some mistakes. So now, what is the cause of this? If you want to get your declaration of value, you are also going to do translation. They are going to legalize it. As in all this bobo tibo, okay, is going to cost you if you are using an agent. This amount I'm going to tell you now, it's been long, okay? So currently I don't know, but you have to keep from 500,000 naira up. From 500,000 naira up, okay? Depending on how many documents you have, how many certificates you have. This money includes the agent's fee, okay? So 500,000 up. You need to keep it if you want to apply for your DOV in Nigerian embassy. I don't know about other countries for now. I'm talking about the one I know, okay? So if you want to do it in Nigeria, just keep from 500,000 up. If you have change, it's good for you. If you are to add on top, it's also good for you. But I would advise you to keep 500,000 and above so that you can do your declaration of value. So I hope you learned one or two from this video, guys. I promise to be bringing some tips, okay, on how to come to Italy as a student or as a family, the things you can enjoy in Italy, some benefits, and where you can go to, as in things about Italy, okay? So if you're interested in this type of topic or content, what are you still waiting for? Just subscribe, like the video, and let me know the area you want me to make video for you, okay? I'm here to make videos for you. Ask me questions. If the question is something I can easily answer here in the comment section, believe me, I will do it. If it's something that I know I need to explain more to you, then I will make a video to explain it to you. I'll bring out my time for you, okay? So thank you all for watching and subscribe to this channel. As I said before, once in a while, I'm going to be showing you guys my family. I'm going to, once in a while, okay, because I'm not good in doing vlogs, but once in a while, you will see me and my family. And thank you all. As if you are watching, always remember to tell me where you're watching from, so that if I'm making a research for you, I will make a research based on your country. Thank you again and remain blessed. Bye for now, guys.